tour truck right there. 2023 Chrysler 300. It's brand spanking new. This is like a base model, straight up base model. But this thing, it don't have none of that smart technology stuff. Only the doors, smart entry, and you do got Apple CarPlay. What's the Android one? Android Auto. Plug it up to your phone and that thing work. I like that. This is the V6 engine, about 293 horses. I want to say about, I'm not sure of the torque, but this thing gets get ups and go. It reminds me of something police drive, like a Grand Marquis or Charger. That's what it reminds me of. The thing boogies, like, it's not fast, but it makes move. It's faster than most cars. I like driving this thing. As you can see, almost everybody and their mama got a Chrysler 300. And it's so crazy that this is the last year for it. It's very sickening. This is my first time having the pleasure to drive it ever since it's been out since 2005, 6, something like that. But I think it's a good car. I think especially this one with none of the extra technologies. I feel like this is a car that could probably last. I'm not too sure on the reliability, but I feel like compared to other cars with all the nooks and crannies and the drive assist and data assist, I think this would be a very good car for somebody who doesn't care for all that. I mean, we do have other vehicles that got some of the technology and all that stuff. It's cool, but this is always nice to have something without all that extra stuff. You just get in it and drive it. You ain't gotta worry about that button, this button, or the steering wheel trying to tell you to stay straight when you are straight, pulling from your hand. This is a very nice vehicle to drive. Quick little test drive. Doesn't take much for it to get up and go. This thing feels good.